am so happy to see all your beautiful faces. Thank you for joining me. We are going to sing a little song today about a Cayman parrot. Who likes parrots? Wow! And who knows what color parrots are? Did you say green? Red? Blue. That's right. Those are the colors of the Cayman parrot. Are you ready to sing about our Cayman parrot? Okay, let's go. I'm a Cayman parrot, green and red. I have a tail and my beak's on my head. When I want to fly, I really try. Spread my wings and head for the skies. I'm a Cayman parrot, green and red. I have a tail and my beak's on my head. When I want to talk, I really squawk. Nod my head and join the flock. I'm a Cayman parrot, green and red. I have a tail and my beak's on my head. When I want to fly, I really try. Spread my wings and head for the skies. I'm a Cayman parrot, green and red. I have a tail and my beak's on my head. When I want to talk, I really squawk. Nod my head and join the flock. Well done. I hope that you really enjoyed that song, and I can't wait to hear that you're singing it all the time. Thank you so